Okay, finally, the ghost doll makeup tutorial that everyone's been asking for. I have a long list of reasons of why this has taken me so long to get to, and I'm so sorry that it has, but some of them are the fact that I can't see without glasses, and I also don't have a setup right now, so it's really hard to film this setup. Another reason is also because I struggle to talk right now. Anyway, I would start off with skincare routine. I don't have time for it, it's like 2 AM right now. And then I go in with foundation, which I use this random thing I found in Superdry like a year and a half ago, but you don't have to use pale foundation. Don't listen to people who say you have to be pale to be doll. Like, I use pale foundation because it's the death part of dolls and death. Put it on the back of my hand and then do this and then like put it on my face, but at the time, oh, and then blend it obviously, but at the time that I took the infamous picture, I think I just put it straight up on my, I don't know, I didn't know anything about foundation when I did that picture. Typically I would dampen my beauty blender a little bit, but because I'm not really going anywhere, I can't be bothered. I need to wash my hair so bad. Anyway, I don't like to conceal because we're about to amplify our dark circles anyway, and anything else that you typically conceal, I just don't care about. I also don't like to contour because I feel like it just looks more doll-like if you're just like painted one solid color. I don't know. In the infamous photo shoot I didn't wear powder because it was just like a quick 5-minute shoot. But now I wear this like Ben Nye super white that I got for the Derealization music video, but now I just use it for my regular makeup. I know I'm Bambi Baker, but I don't really bake. I just put it straight up on my face with one of these. Usually I do my neck as well, and I'd also use setting spray at this point. And I'd also put more care into everything, but you know. Anyway, next thing I do is use the same powder as like eyeshadow, I don't know. Then I use this as eyeshadow as well, and I also use it as highlighter. I use the white shade. It's Dream Girl France by MAC. Oh, and by the way, for both of these, I mean just like put it on your eyelid. I use my finger because I'm gonna try at least do a few steps on camera, but I can't see a fucking thing right now. So for highlighter, I put it inner corners, which I've already done. I've done my eyelids, and then, oh my god, okay, I put it here, and then on the tip of my nose, very small, and then just sometimes I put it above my lip here. Sorry, I'm staring at you. And then the most important one, but I tend to do a few layers of this because I like this to be seen quite well. I probably need to get a better highlighter for it, but this is just something random I found in my mom's old makeup she didn't want, so. Trying to show you in my atrocious lighting. I know I do a lot of things wrong, but part of being alternative for me is doing everything wrong and having fun doing it. Now I like to give myself those big dark circles, so I just find any purple eyeshadow I can and apply it with, guess what? My finger. Okay, that's the death part nearly done. Now I just take black eyeshadow and I just put it here. This time with a brush. If you want like a masculine version of the look, I'd probably stop like here. Swear my hair wasn't this greasy before I started filming, but oh well. Now I put the same eyeshadow like here. I think if you're someone who frequently wears makeup, it is worth shaving your brows, but since I almost never wear makeup, and ignore my voice by the way, and my wig covers my eyebrows anyway, I just fill them in a little bit. Okay, eyeliner. My biggest tip for getting eyeliner even is to do it one step at a time and not one eye at a time. So I always start out like this, even if I don't know what style I'm doing yet. And then I do like the line for the wing or whatever. And also do your eyeliner based on your eyes when they're open, not when they're closed. Here's in slightly better lighting. I'm about to lose my voice, but then I do mascara and beauty spots. I do think false lashes would look cool, but first of all, I'm allergic to them and also I'm not bothered. Then I apply this lip and cheek tint mainly on the middle of my lips with my finger, which if anyone has any recommendations to anything similar to this, then please tell me because I'm about to run out and I can't find anything. You can also apply it in like little circles on your cheek like a doll, but this also does make you look alive, unfortunately. And that's about it really. Obviously I wear this with like a doll dress, not fucking Radiohead merch. I did not realize how fucking crooked the bows were when I recorded that. Anyway, I hope this helps. I'm sorry I'm not good at makeup tutorials, but it's something.